So I heard it was supposed to snow today or something. A blizzard, possibly. I don't know. Just walking around outside, the sun's shining. It's kind of a beautiful day. I don't see where they come up with these kind of ideas. There's no drifts. It's just a beautiful, sunshiny day. Just a beautiful March 5th. Those drifts aren't very big. I don't know what the big deal is. And that one over there is only like 6 or 7 feet tall. Not much of a drift there or there. I don't know what the big deal is. I mean, this isn't bad.